Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.